Dear students, today we will do revision on factors and multiples lesson. In that, co-prime numbers. The definition of co-prime numbers is those numbers which do not have a common factor between them except one are called co-prime numbers. Those numbers which do not have a common factor between them except one are called co-prime numbers. Or we can say two or more numbers are said to be co-prime if their highest common factor is 1. For example, (16) and 25. First we have to write factors of 16. Factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. Next we have to write factors of 25. Factors of 25 are 1, 5 and 25. Here we can observe number 1 is only one common factor between 16 and 25. So we can say 16 and 25 is a co-prime numbers. So what is the definition of co-prime numbers? Those numbers which do not have a common factor between them except one are called co-prime numbers. Let's see the note. Two prime numbers are always co-prime. Two prime numbers are always co-prime. For example, 2 and 5. 2 is a prime number and 5 is also prime number. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. Factors of 5 are 1 and 5. So here 1 is a common factor. So we can say 2 and 5 are co-prime numbers. Two prime numbers are always co-prime. Second note, two consecutive numbers are always co-prime as they will not have any common factors. For example, 3 and 4. Factors of 3 are 1 and 3. Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. In this, 1 is a common factor between 3 and 4. So we can say 3 and 4 is a co-prime numbers. Two consecutive numbers are always co-prime as they will not have any common factor. Let's recall properties of factors and multiples. The first property of factor is 1 is the factor of every number. For example, 1 15s are 15. 5 minus 5 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we can say 1 is a factor of every number. We'll take one more example. 1 12s are 12. 2 minus 2 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 is a factor of every number. Second property of factor. Every number other than 0 is a factor of itself. Every number other than 0 is a factor of itself. Sixteen ones are 16. So we can say every number is a factor of itself. I will take one more example. 5 ones are 5. 5 minus 5 is 0. Every number is a factor of itself. Fourth property of factor is a factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. For example, factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. Here we can observe these two factors are less than 4 and this factor is equal to the 4. So we can say a factor of a number is either less than or equal to the number. Let's recall properties of multiples. Every number is a multiple of 1. 1 into 14 is equal to 14. So 14 is a multiple of 1 and 14. Then second property of multiple is every number is a multiple of itself. Every number is a multiple of itself. 1 into 15 is equal to 15. So 15 is a multiple of 1 and 15. So 15 is a multiple of 1 and itself. Today's homework. Learn and write 2 times definition of coprime numbers and properties of factors and multiples in your